Hello everyone and happy Tuesday. Dear entomologists, today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. We have been reading, drawing, and writing a lot about spiders. First, we studied what makes a spider, then their physical adaptations and behaviors. Last, we learned that a spider's life cycle has 4 stages: egg, egg sac, spiderling, and adult. Today, we are going to investigate where bugs fit in food webs. We will learn about the feeding relationships between plants, bugs, and other animals. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So I have a chart to show you called Bugs in Food Webs. And in the first column, animals that eat bugs, frogs, and birds. In the second column, bugs that eat other bugs, tarantulas, ladybugs, and praying mantises. In the third column, bugs that eat plants, butterflies, and grasshoppers. And in the last column, bugs that eat dead plants or animals, ants, and beetles. Thank you for tuning into the morning message. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye.